Skipping Scalia autopsy spawns conspiracy theories. What's going on, guys? Make Hay Electric. It is Monday, the 22nd of February, 2016. Very strange goings on. As all of you know by now, Supreme Court Justice has mysteriously died. Natural causes, heart attack, pillow over his face. Let me give you this article from CNN if you're not aware. From it, 3 days after Judge Antonin Scalia was found dead in his room at a luxury ranch in remote West Texas, the conspiracy theories about his passing continue to swirl. A local judge's decision not to order a post-mortem examination, have triggered a round of questions ranging from security to procedures of the bizarre. No autopsy? Gee, is that because you wanted to get rid of the evidence quickly, or was he not dead at all, just been taken underground because we're about to see a catastrophic event? I have no idea. Tell me your thoughts. Apparently he was against Obamacare and was for the Second Amendment. Conspiracy theories, CNN, Washington Post puts this out. The death of Antonin Scalia, chaos, confusion, and conflicting reports. Did I hear this correctly? Did the judge declare him dead over the phone? I give you this link. Third link from WND. Scalia found with pillow over his head. Pillow over his head? How are we not supposed to be conspiracy theories here? I'll put a GLP thread 35 pages long full of other people's theories about what happened. What do you think happened? Let me continue here. Scalia's hunting trip was a gift from a friend who had business before the Supreme Court last year. Gift from a friend, huh? The Daily Caller, Senate staffer says McConnell will back down over SCOTUS nomination. All this talk about is Obama going to appoint someone else. He says he is, but will it be? Apparently, Senate staffer insider says McConnell will back down. But hold the phone. Wait a minute. SCOTUS analyst says Loretta Lynch most likely candidate through. Well, that figures. Well, she's the creator of the whole Safe Cities Act, right? Google that one. I wonder if she's for the Second Amendment. But wait a minute. Hillary Clinton. I find this fascinating. Hillary Clinton would consider appointing President Obama to Supreme Court January 26, 2016. A couple weeks later, we have a dead Supreme Court justice? Really? I just find that bizarre. U.S. election. Jeb Bush drops out of Republican race. Well, that's just shocker. Did anyone see that coming? I certainly didn't. I thought it was either going to be Jeb or Hillary next president if we have an election, which at this point, I don't know. Put a link to that. Mr. Trump will not be president. Obama unloads on the entire Republican 2016. Barack Obama, would you mind telling us how you know who the next president's going to be, that it's not going to be Trump? Please, we would love some inside information. Antonin Scalia's death could mark end to the Constitution. Indeed, he was a constitutionalist, as a constitutionalist can be on the Supreme Court. Second one from Breitbart. Justice Scalia's death resets SCOTUS' opportunity to gut the Second Amendment. Was this man taken out for some reason? Was he taken to the dumb? Did he piss someone off? The theories are out there. I'll put a couple videos at the bottom. Realist News. Was Supreme Court Justice Scalia's death really a heart attack? From JSNIP 4 and 21 minutes. He asks a lot of questions. And so does Lisa Haven. Elite are in panic. They've moved into targeting opposition, media, judges, and patriots. Who's next? Check out her video, 12 minutes long, all full of good information. Please tell me what you think. Was a Supreme Court justice murdered to make way for an anti-constitutional Supreme Court member? Was he taken to the dumb? Why did Jeb Bush just drop out of the race? Is he on his way to the dumb too? We're about to see, we got an asteroid coming in right at the beginning of March. I'll do another video on that. We got the possibility of WW3 all over the place. The Durka streaming across the southern border. Wouldn't surprise me to see something big happen. What about you? Please rate this video. Please pass it around. Make people aware of current events. Very strange goings on. Hillary Clinton jokes about making Barack Obama Supreme Court justice, and a couple weeks later we have a dead Supreme Court justice. Jeb Bush drops out of the... Tell me what you see. You guys take care. Stay safe. I will see you all in the next one.